you want to learn about computer vision and large language models, we have a variety of courses available on Udemy, and you can enroll in any of the course in under $10. Let's start with this LangChain course. In this course, we will be building 22 different large language model applications using OpenAI, Llama 2, and Google Palm 2 model. We will be working with different vector databases, including FICE, Pinecone, and ChromaDB. Here is a quick look what we will be learning in this course. We will start with the fundamentals of large language models. We will explore different embedding and vector data stores. We will also be creating some exciting projects which include quiz, MCQ generator application, YouTube script writing application. We will also be creating a Streamlit application to chat with multiple PDF documents. Furthermore, we will also explore how we can summarize any PDF using LangChain, OpenAI, and Radio. We will be working with open source and closed source models in this course as well. Along with this, we will also be creating a chat code for our own website. Similarly, we will also create other applications like how we can create a medical chat code and how we can chat with the medical chat code and how we can chat with our CSV files, Excel files. We will also learn how we can chat with our documents as well. So these are the few projects which I've highlighted, but you can check out the course and you can explore all the 23 different projects which we will be building in this course. Now, this is another course. In this course, we will be building applications around YOLO-NAS, OpenAI, and Segment Anything model. In this course, we will learn how we can create web apps using Flask and Streamlit. A quick highlight what you will learn in this course. We will start this course by learning how we can do object detection with YOLO-NAS on images, videos, and on the live webcam feed. We will then explore how we can fine-tune the YOLO-NAS model on any custom dataset. We will be working with some state-of-the-art object tracking algorithms in this course, which include SORT and Deep Sort. And we will learn how we can integrate a YOLO-NAS model with SORT and Deep Sort algorithm and how we can track each of the detected objects by assigning each of the object a unique ID. We will be creating different web apps using Flask and Streamlit, which include empty shelf detection. Along with this, we will also see how we can detect grocery items in a retail store. We'll also be doing license plate detection and recognition. We will also see how we can do personal protective equipment detection. We will also see how we can do multicam license plate detection and recognition, face detection and gender classification, and how we can create vehicle intensity heat maps. We will also be creating Streamlit app using YOLO-NAS and OpenAI to generate recipes. Furthermore, we will also see how we can do image and video segmentation using YOLO-NAS and Segment Anything model. The YOLO-NAS model does not come with object segmentation, so we will be integrating YOLO-NAS with the Segment Anything model. So Segment Anything model is the benchmark for object segmentation, and it is released a few months back. So we'll be combining YOLO-NAS and Segment Anything model to do object detection and segmentation in this course. To check out more, you can just check on this course and view the description of this course. And if you have any questions, do reach out to me. This is our next course, YOLO-NAS, the ultimate course for object detection and tracking. So this course is entirely focused on building applications with YOLO-NAS. We will start this course by learning how we can do object detection with YOLO-NAS on images and videos. We will learn how we can fine-tune the YOLO-NAS model on a custom dataset. We will also see how we can integrate YOLO-NAS with object tracking algorithms and how we can build applications around it, like vehicles counting, plastic bottles counting in a manufacturing line. Along with this, we will also see how we can create other applications using Streamlit as well, like how we can generate recipes by integrating YOLO-NAS and OpenAI model. And we'll see how we can do image segmentation and video segmentation using YOLO-NAS and Segment Anything model. So this is another course. In this course, we will be covering 3 different object detection models. Like these are the 3 latest state-of-the-art object detection models, which include YOLO-V7, YOLO-V8, and YOLO-NAS. So in this course, we will be working with these three object detection algorithms, and we will create different applications around them. We will be covering different object tracking algorithms, which include sort, deep sort, and in the later part of the course, we'll also learn how we can create web apps using Flask as well. The course link is provided in the description, and you can check out this course and enroll this course. And if you have any questions, do let me know. This is the YOLO V8 course, and this is one of the highest rated course on this platform. In this course, we will learn what is YOLO and how we can use YOLO V8 for object detection and segmentation, and how we can train YOLO V8 model on custom dataset. We will also learn how we can integrate YOLO V8 with object tracking algorithms, and how we can assign a unique ID to each object. And we will be building different apps using YOLO V8, which include fire and smoke detection, license plate detection, as well as we will also see how we can do potholes detection and segmentation with YOLO E8, how we can do personal protective equipment detection as well. So you can see over here, we are building numerous apps which include helmet detection and segmentation, cracks detection and segmentation using YOLO V8, creating a traffic watch where we will be automating vehicle direction detection and counting using YOLO V8. We will be doing face detection, gender classification, and crowd counting as well. Along with this, we will see how we can do object blurring using YOLO V8, and we will also see how we can do vehicle segmentation tracking with vehicles counting and speed estimation. Along with this, we will be creating web apps using Flask, and we'll see how we can create a Flask API of our YOLO V8 model, and we'll be creating a web app to support personal protective equipment detection as well. Along with this, you can see that there's a lot of content available on this course. We will be doing car velocity calculation plus traffic counting. So we will be estimating the speed of the vehicle, as well as we will do the traffic counting as well. And here we'll also see how we can do object segmentation and tracking with YOLO V8. So there is a huge content available in this course. So I do recommend you to check out this course. And all these courses are available under $10, so you can enroll in any of this course. And if you have any questions, do let me know.